is your shield and helper and your glorious sword. Your enemies will cower before you, and you will trample down their high places. Man, isn't that beautiful? And here's what makes it even more beautiful. Sometime during the week, go into the book of Romans, chapter 11, and read about we as Gentiles are grafted in to the root, Jesus Christ. Now that we as Gentiles are grafted in to the root, Jesus Christ, we are also Jeshurun. We are also beloved sons and beloved daughters of the Most High God. So he is now, let's look back at this little passage right here. He is now our refuge. We are under his everlasting arms.